Hey everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people around the world, vitamin D deficiency. Now you might be thinking, vitamin D, isn't that the sunshine vitamin? And yep, you're absolutely right. But did you know that this essential nutrient plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions, from bone health to immune support? In this video, we'll break down the 10 most common signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency in adults. We're talking about those subtle clues your body might be sending you, signaling it's time to pay attention to your vitamin D levels. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and doesn't constitute medical advice. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Now let's get started. So grab a pen and paper or just sit back and relax as we explore this vital topic together. Stay tuned. Let's kick things off with one of the most common signs of vitamin D deficiency: feeling constantly fatigued and tired. This isn't just your average tiredness that can be fixed with a quick nap or a strong cup of coffee. We're not just talking about needing an extra cup of coffee in the morning. It's a deeper, more persistent kind of exhaustion that lingers throughout the day. This is that persistent feeling of exhaustion that just doesn't seem to go away, no matter how much sleep you get. You might find it hard to get through your daily activities or even enjoy your favorite hobbies. Vitamin D plays a vital role in regulating your energy levels. It helps your body convert food into energy and supports muscle function. It helps your muscles function properly and ensures your cells have the energy they need to power through the day. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can feel weak and your energy levels can plummet. When your vitamin D levels are low, your body has to work harder, leading to that feeling of constant fatigue. This can make even simple tasks feel like a huge effort. Think about it like this. Imagine your body is a car and vitamin D is the fuel. Without enough fuel, your car can't run efficiently. Without enough fuel, your car can't run efficiently and you're left feeling sluggish and drained. This is why maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is so crucial. Now, fatigue can be a symptom of many different conditions, so it's important not to self-diagnose. Always consult with a healthcare professional to get to the root of the problem. But if you're consistently feeling exhausted, even after a good night's sleep, it's worth getting your vitamin D levels checked. A simple blood test can help determine if a deficiency is contributing to your fatigue. Moving on to another major sign of vitamin D deficiency: bone pain and weakness. This is a common issue that many people face but often overlook. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption, which is essential for strong, healthy bones. Without enough vitamin D, your body struggles to maintain the necessary calcium levels. When your vitamin D levels are low, your body can't absorb calcium efficiently, leading to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. This can make everyday activities more challenging and painful. This bone pain might manifest as a dull ache or a sharp stabbing sensation. It can vary in intensity and duration, making it hard to pinpoint the exact cause. You might notice it most in your lower back, hips or legs. These areas are particularly susceptible because they bear much of your body's weight. And it's not just pain. You might also experience muscle weakness, making it difficult to perform everyday activities like climbing stairs or getting up from a chair. This can significantly impact your quality of life. If you're experiencing persistent bone pain or muscle weakness, especially if you're also feeling fatigued, it's essential to talk to your doctor. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more severe health issues over time. They can assess your symptoms and order a simple blood test to check your vitamin D levels. Early detection and treatment can help you manage these symptoms effectively and improve your overall health. Now, this next one might surprise you. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to depression and mood swings. While the exact connection is still being studied, research suggests that vitamin D plays a role in regulating mood and brain function. Think about it. We know that sunlight boosts our mood, and sunlight is one of the best natural sources of vitamin D. So it makes sense that a lack of vitamin D could have the opposite effect, potentially contributing to feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and mood swings. If you're experiencing persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or irritability, it's essential to reach out to a mental health professional. They can help determine the underlying cause of your symptoms and recommend appropriate treatment options. Hair loss can be distressing, and while there are many potential causes, Vitamin D deficiency is one factor that's often overlooked. Vitamin D plays a role in hair follicle health and growth. When your levels are low, it can lead to hair thinning or even hair loss. Now, it's important to note that hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, stress, and other medical conditions. So if you're experiencing significant hair loss, it's crucial to see a dermatologist or a trichologist to determine the underlying cause and discuss treatment options. Ever feel like you're always getting sick? Vitamin D plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system. It helps your body fight off infections by strengthening your immune cells. When your vitamin D levels are low, your immune system weakens, making you more susceptible to colds, the flu, and other infections. If you find yourself getting sick more often than usual, or if your colds seem to linger longer than they should, it's worth talking to your doctor about getting your vitamin D levels checked. We touched on muscle weakness earlier when we discussed bone pain, but it's worth emphasizing this symptom on its own. Vitamin D is essential for muscle function and strength. When your levels are low, you might experience muscle weakness, aches, and cramps. This weakness can make it difficult to perform everyday activities and can even affect your balance and coordination. If you're noticing unexplained muscle weakness or if you're having trouble with your balance, it's important to talk to your doctor. They can assess your symptoms and determine if vitamin D deficiency might be a contributing factor. Ever notice how cuts or scrapes seem to take forever to heal when your vitamin D levels are low? Well, there's a reason for that. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in the wound healing process. It helps reduce inflammation, fights infection, and promotes new tissue growth. When your vitamin D levels are insufficient, your body's ability to heal wounds effectively is compromised. This can lead to slower healing times, an increased risk of infection, and even poor wound closure. If you're noticing that your wounds are taking longer than usual to heal, or if you're experiencing any signs of infection such as redness, swelling, or pus, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. We've already discussed bone pain and weakness, but let's delve deeper into the serious consequence of prolonged vitamin D deficiency bone loss. Over time, a lack of vitamin D can lead to a condition called osteomalacia in adults and rickets in children. Osteomalacia occurs when your bones become soft and weak due to inadequate mineralization. This softening increases the risk of fractures and can cause significant pain and deformity. In children, vitamin D deficiency can lead to rickets, which affects bone development and can result in skeletal deformities. If you're concerned about bone loss or have a family history of osteoporosis or other bone-related conditions, it's crucial to talk to your doctor about getting your bone density checked and discussing strategies to maintain strong, healthy bones. Now, this next one might surprise you. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to impaired cognitive function. Research suggests that vitamin D plays a role in brain health and cognitive function. While more research is needed to fully understand the connection, studies have shown that low vitamin D levels are associated with cognitive decline, memory problems, and an increased risk of dementia. If you're experiencing memory problems, difficulty concentrating, or other cognitive changes, it's essential to talk to your doctor. They can assess your symptoms and determine if further evaluation is needed. Finally, let's talk about the impact of vitamin D deficiency on sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being, and vitamin D plays a role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Studies have shown a link between vitamin D deficiency and sleep disturbances, including difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, and experiencing restful sleep. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, it's thought that vitamin D might influence the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. If you're struggling with poor sleep, it's essential to address any potential underlying causes, including vitamin D deficiency. Talk to your doctor about getting your levels checked and discuss strategies for improving your sleep hygiene. So there you have it. 10 common signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency in adults. Remember, these are just some of our potential signs, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor about getting tested. They can recommend appropriate steps to address any deficiencies, which might include lifestyle modifications such as increasing sun exposure and consuming vitamin D-rich foods or taking supplements. Taking care of your health is a journey, and staying informed is a crucial part of that journey. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.